Guys, last night's party was lit. The music, the vibe, everything was just so exciting.
Wait, lit? Isn't that what we say for a candle or a lamp?
It's slang, Ayaan. When we say something is lit, we mean it was amazing or super fun.
Got it. So if I say that movie was lit, I mean, it was great?
Exactly. Now you're catching on.
Pinoy dice Spanicia. But dan información es Spanish, that's when someone's upset or bitter about something.
Like, I'm salty because Zara didn't invite me to the party.
Oh no, are you still bitter about that?
Little, but I'll get over it.
Speaking of slang, have you ever heard of ghosting?
No, what's that?
It's when someone suddenly stops communicating with you, like disappearing into thin air. Okay?
Yeah, like when Ayaan stops replying to group chats for no reason.
Hey, I was just busy, not ghosting.
Sure. By the way, Zara, don't flex too much about the party.
Flex, isn't that for showing muscles?
It can also mean showing off, like when Zara keeps mentioning how she met that celebrity.
Okay, guilty as charged, but I was low-key about it. Didn't I only mention it once?
Lowkey, what does that mean now?
It means subtle or restrained, like not making a big deal about something.
Speaking of subtle, did you see Mira's outfit yesterday? It was anything but low-key, so bougie.
Bougie?
Pretentiously fancy, like when someone's trying hard to look rich and stylish.
But Dara's outfit today is snatched.
Snatched? Another one?
Thanks, Nina. And you're looking pretty chill yourself.
Okay, let me try. This conversation's been lit and I'm low-key enjoying it, even though I was salty at first.
Nailed it. You're officially part of the Slang squad.
Just don't ghost us next time, Aya.
As I wouldn't dare.